Hello, good evening. I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for joining us here on PSN. Let's take a look at your State College area forecast. We'll start with the weather headlines that we are tracking for this week. We'll have a brief warm-up in the beginning portions of the week, for we do have the chance for some icy roadways during the day on Tuesday, and then we do have the chance for some more snow in the middle portions of this week. We'll have more on all of that in just a second. But let's start by taking a look at the storm that we just had over the weekend. We only picked up 8 inches here in State College. Now, I said the word only just because while that is a significant amount of snow, compared to what the rest of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast picked up, that seems very minuscule. And this storm had an insane snow gradient where just 20 miles to our south in Huntington, they picked up 20 inches of snow. And then 40 miles to our south down in Roaring Spring, they picked up 30 inches of snow. So every 20 miles further south of State College seemed to be an additional foot of snow you picked up until you got into the core of the storm. And just how insane was this storm? Well, if you look here across the Northeast, we had a foot of snow extending from Boston, Massachusetts, all the way down into the Carolinas. Everywhere in there picked up over a foot of snow. And then everywhere you see on here in this red area, 18 to 24 inches, and then all this maroon, 24 to 36, and then even 2 areas over 3 feet of snow. Our grand champion right down here in this white bubble, Glengarry, West Virginia, at 42 inches of snow. And then looking around the rest of the region in Pennsylvania, these were the highest snow totals we picked up. We had 38.3 inches of snow in Greencastle, 36.9 in Mechanicsburg, almost 3 feet of snow in Somerset, 33 1/3 of an inch in Mont Alto, and then Center Valley coming in at 32 inches of snow. And then looking across the Northeast at those major cities, we had Baltimore, Maryland up at 29.2 inches of snow. So in terms of the I-95 corridor, Baltimore, Maryland was your champion, and that was their all-time record for snow in Baltimore. New York coming in at 26.8 inches of snow, 1/10 of an inch off of their all-time record. So the number 2 snowfall for you in New York. And then Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at 30.2 inches of snow, and that's number 1 in Harrisburg, absolutely smashing the previous record by about 5 inches. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania coming at 22.4, also number 4 all-time for Philadelphia. And likewise for DC, their number 4 storm of all time as well, coming in at 17.8 inches of snow. And now let's bring it back here to central Pennsylvania. During your day on Tuesday in the morning hours, we're going to have a temperature of around 40 degrees here in State College, 39 degrees down in Philadelphia, 45 degrees over in Pittsburgh. So the warmth is coming, so a lot of that snow will begin to melt. However, once we get into the nighttime hours on Tuesday, as we go later on into the day, when we'll drop back below freezing. So that snow that melted is now going to refreeze on those surfaces, as we'll only be 29 degrees here in State College, 31 down in Harrisburg. So if you're out there driving, please be careful, as there could be some ice building up on the roads. And then going ahead into your day on Wednesday, we won't be as warm as we were during the day on Tuesday, so not as much melting will occur. And we also have the chance for some more light snow during your day on Wednesday, but we'll have more on that in just a second. Tuesday morning, looking at your satellite and radar, we do have the chance for some light mixed precipitation here in State College in the early morning hours. Nothing too serious, but combined with that previously melted snow that could be refreezing, could create a bit of a driving issue. Then going into your day on Wednesday, we do have the chance for some light snow showers here in central Pennsylvania. Once again, though, not that big of a deal, nothing major with this. So now your forecast for tonight, we're looking at a low of around 26 degrees with wintry precipitation moving into our area late overnight tonight. Then going into your day tomorrow, we will be quite warm, as we could approach 40 degrees for your high, but we're expecting just below that as of now. And we'll have a wintry mix potentially linger around into those early morning hours. Now here is your 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. In addition to that wintry mix on Tuesday, we'll have some light snow potentially on Wednesday before it does clear out for the later portions of the week, although it does get a little bit cooler during the day on Thursday despite those sunny skies. And then we'll get warmer as we head into the start of next weekend. However, looking at Saturday, we're looking at cloudy skies and maybe another round of snow. So make sure you do stay tuned to the Campus Weather Service for all of the latest information on that. That's all I have for you from the Penn State Campus Weather Service and for PSN News. I am student meteorologist Brian Mashner. Now stay tuned for sports.